Hello, Aunt Angel here, aka ZGala, and I'm going to do some shoulder shrugs to let go of some stress. I invite you to join me if you feel like it. I hope that you will remember to be good to yourself because you're worth it. You deserve it. And also remember, you can do more than you think, probably more than you're doing. So I encourage you to move your body. Also, I encourage you to sing your life a little bit. It's good to do. Let's do some shoulder shrugs and some exhales. Ready? I know I got started quickly, huh? Let's do it. Let's do some with more intention. Breathing in, lifting the shoulders. Don't mind all the pops and crackles. You can tense up the arms, pull up the pelvic floor, tense the toes. Breathe in a little more and then just let it go. Let the arms swing. Let's do a little side to side stretching just for extra because I feel like it. I've been playing my guitar for the first time in a while and feeling it in the arms. Let's do another shoulder shrug. Ready? Breathing in, bringing the shoulders up, tensing everything up. Breathing in a little more and holding, and then just swinging the arms back, shaking off the stresses. Let's do one more. Breathing in, shrugging up, holding, tensing up, holding, and then just let it go. I encourage you to make some different noises. Try out some different size. You never know. You might like it. Also, notice how it feels in your body. I'm going to do some arm circles because that seems to be what my body's wanting to do. I encourage you to listen to your own body, follow your own lead, check in with yourself regularly. This is me checking in with myself regularly and hopefully modeling that for you. Let's do some shoulder rolls. All this is nice and easy stuff, but I always encourage you to follow your own lead, listen to your own body. Don't do anything that doesn't feel right. Do some up and down, some back and forth, just to loosen those shoulders. Bring an arm across the body. You try to release that arm, holding onto it with the other arm. Maybe do some shoulder rolls there. All this is standard stretching that I like to do to keep my arms from hurting me because it works. Otherwise, I get the bone fire. I don't know if you know what that is. I hope you don't because it's no fun. But again, that's why I do my stretches. When I do my stretches, I get less bone fire, sometimes none. That's pretty amazing considering how much I get when I don't do them. Winging that arm back. Again, just shake off some stress. Let go of the past like it was yesterday. There's more stress coming. You don't need to hang on to all the stresses of yesterday. That's my unsolicited advice from Aunt Angel to you. You're welcome. I hope you will like and subscribe. I hope that you will take care of your body, check in with your body regularly. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or comments. I'm always happy to read them. And stay curious, stay courageous, get more fit, get more free. I'll be seeing you soon. Ciao for now. Peace.